All right, Monday, August the 20th, 5th period, Algebra 1. That should be Algebra 1. We'll just put a 1 there. And it's time for the warm-up quiz. You should go back to the orange tub and get your pieces of paper if you haven't done so already. Warm-up number 1. Solution for that one, you have to do multiplication first. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then go back and do addition in order. 3 plus 12 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Next one. Everybody had that one right. The answer is 14. Warm-up number 3. The solution on this, you have to do multiplication and division in order from left to right. So 20 divided by 10 is your first move. That's 2. And then keep the times 2. Over here, 6 times 3 is 18. And divide that by 2. Go here to get a 4. Go here to get 9. Add them together to get 13. Alright, next one. 16 divided by 8 times 2 plus 15 divided by 3 and then plus 5. All right. The solution is 16 divided by 8 is 2 and then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Multiplication gives me a 4 and then I have to add 5 and another 5. Answer is 14. Last one. $20 divided by 2 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. And 2 times 2 is 4. Should be a minus sign. 10 plus 15 is 25. And then minus 4 is 21. Lottery number. Pick a number from 1 to 10, put your last name on it, and drop it off up here on the table. Time for the homework check. Make sure you have all your problems worked out. If you do not, then don't bring them up here because you won't get your 50 points. And you'll come up in the order that I call you, so pay close attention to that. For the homework solutions, you're going to need a small piece of paper, at least 5 of them, from the orange tub. Here is your piece of paper. You're going to do these 3 answers at a time. So for the first 3, you'll write 1, 2, and 3, and then put the answer out to the side of them. Write largely, take up the whole piece of paper, bring it up here to the table with your name on it, and drop it off. If you get 3 right, it's 3 million. If you get 2 right, it's 2, and so on. The answers are 31, 17, and 41. If you have all 3 of those right, then come and get 3 million. Answers are 18, 5, and 39. If you have all 3, come and get 3 million. 27, 27, and 8. If you have all 3 right, come and get it. 35, 10, and 5. If you have all 3 of them, come and get it. Answers are negative 3, 51, and 42. If you have all 3, come and get it. The objective for today will be order of operations. We always start at the bottom every year with every class and work our way up. Some go faster through this, some go slower. But more specifically, the learning target is add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And that will be what you're doing in class. And to test you and see how well you've caught up to this point in school, I'm going to throw in parentheses, exponents, and some brackets into the homework to see how well you do on that. First example, 5 times 4 plus 6 divided by 2 times 5, and then plus 1. You do multiplication and division first, in order from left to right. So this is the first thing that shows up. 5 times 4 is 20. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. But you still have multiplication by 5 left. So you have to go do that. That's 15. And then add them up from left to right. 20 plus 15 is 35. And plus 1 is 36. Example number 2. 35 divided by 7 times 2 plus 16 divided by 8 times 4. You have to do multiplication and division in order from left to right. So the first thing that comes up is 35 divided by 7. That's 5. And then 16 divided by 8 is 2. But you still have multiplication in there, so do 5 times 2. That's 10. And then 2 times 4 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Practice number 1. 5 times 4 divided by 10 plus 18 divided by 9 times 6. For the practice problem, you have 5 times 4, which is 20. And then over here you have 18 divided by 9, that's 2. Now do 20 divided by 10 to get 2. And 2 times 6 is 12. Answer is 14. If you have that, come and get it. Bonus number 1, while we're waiting on the practice. 6 times 3 plus 5 times 4 minus 2. The bonus doesn't always have to stay up there as long as the practice does. It's over when it's over. But the practice is the one we all have to turn in. Yep, okay. On the bonus problem, 6 times 3 is 18, and 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract 2, you should get a 36. Anybody need some more time on the practice? Nope, that's it. Practice problem number 2. 30 divided by 6 times 3 plus 45 divided by 9 plus 4. The solution, 30 divided by 6, is 5. Keep this. And then 45 divided by 9 is 5, and plus 4. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 5, add 4. 15 plus 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. If you have that, come and get it. Here's the bonus problem. On the bonus problem, 16 divided by 8 has to be done first. That's 2. And then keep everything else the same. 5 plus 2 is 7. Minus 2 takes you right back to 5. Practice number 3. 20 times 3 divided by 2 minus 6 times 2 and then minus 5. The zero's been erased on this. I wrote 20 instead of 2. For the practice problem, 20 times 3 is 60. And then 6 times 2 is 12. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Minus 12 minus 5. 30 minus 12 is 18. Minus 5 is 13. If you have 13, come and get it. Bonus problem number 1. 32 divided by 8 times 3 minus 20 divided by 4 times 2. For the bonus, it should be 32 divided by 8, which is 4, and then 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. That's where the 2 came from. Homework assignment, you can take a picture, you can write it down, you can copy it from somebody else later on in the day. You can get it from Facebook, you can get it from YouTube. It'll be all over the place. Here comes the homework assignment right now. Need to go to photo stream. There it is. Okay, take a picture or get it off of Facebook. Either way, you can start working on it right now. You can work on it between now and the end of the period, but you have a couple of other things to do before the bell goes off. We have to trade in money and the like.